Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Coinbase app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.